Let's talk about 5 tips to earn on Fiverr. Fiverr is a great platform to monetize your skills, but competition is fierce. Here are some tips to help you stand out. 1. Identify a niche. While Fiverr offers a wide range of services, specializing in a specific niche can help you attract targeted clients. For example, instead of offering general graphic design, focus on logo design for tech startups. 2. Create compelling gigs. Your gig is your storefront. Use high-quality images, clear descriptions, and compelling titles to grab attention. Highlight your unique selling points and include relevant keywords. 3. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your best work to build credibility. Include samples of your previous projects in your gig. A strong portfolio can significantly increase your chances of getting orders. 4. Deliver exceptional service. Customer satisfaction is key to success on Fiverr. Go the extra mile to meet and exceed client expectations. Timely delivery, effective communication, and willingness to revise are essential. 5. Leverage Fiverr's features. Take advantage of Fiverr's tools and features to boost your earnings. Offer gig extras, create packages, and participate in promotions. Building a strong seller profile and positive reviews can also help you climb the search rankings. Remember, building a successful Fiverr business takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve your services.